I'm probably not the first person to admit that there are some very creative people in this world. For most of us, we look at something as junk or garbage, but for others, they can see the hidden beauty and create a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. With that being said, the world is full of uncommon living spaces. Here at Did You Know, we've seen people create fairy tale homes or downsize to a 400 square foot home. From a distance, this might look like a pile of logs left behind by some lumberjacks. No matter how you look at it, it definitely just looks like a pile of firewood. But it's not at all. There's something incredible hidden in this pile of wood, and it's awesome. Looks just like a normal pile of firewood, right? Upon approaching closer, you can make out that it's actually a small cottage. The windows fully open up. When you step inside, it's a small cottage that's set up to give you a location to play some music. A music composer's dream getaway, in fact. Although small, this pile of firewood has an incredible purpose. It looks beautiful with the windows open. This camouflaged pile of wood house was designed by Piet Hein Eek. It was designed for Dutch performer Hans Lieberg as a recording studio, a place free of distractions and the hustle and bustle of life, a place for him to clear his mind and create some music. I now appreciate nature more than ever after seeing this.